This is the Visconti Watermark Supernova fountain pen. The pen comes in a white cardboard sleeve with a Visconti logo in gray on top. That sleeve will slide off. Underneath is a box for the pen. It has the Visconti logo printed, as well as the Visconti logo, or the V logo, cut through the top of the box lid. The pen sits in a gray fabric interior with a false bottom. Underneath the false bottom is a certificate for the pen. Shows you the number of the pen. It also has information about Visconti as well. And of course, we have the Visconti Watermark Supernova fountain pen. The pen has a gold color on both the cap and the barrel of the pen. It's a metal that's been cut so with the Visconti V design throughout the cap and the barrel of the pen, showing the teal color or turquoise color demonstrator plastic underneath. Great looking pen, great design. On the clip of the pen, it has a traditional Visconti art-shaped clip with the Visconti logo. Opens real nice and easily, makes it real easy to get into your pocket. On the top is the Visconti logo. Engraved on the back of the pen, on the top of the cap, is the number of the pen. There's only 38 of these made, so it's a special edition, kind of exclusive pen. The watermark logo is also engraved at the bottom of the cap of the pen, and then at the end of the barrel of the pen is just a plain metal knob. The cap is threaded and unscrews from the pen. It will post on the pen, but it's pretty large with that posted. Don't necessarily need to post the pen to use it. It comes with a gold nib with the black feed, and it is a piston style fountain pen, so it has a piston filler mechanism here on the end that allows you to open and fill the pen with bottled ink. Great looking pen, great design from Visconti. Get your Visconti Watermark Supernova fountain pen at penchalet.com.